How to change shipping address in Shein after placing order. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. In order to change shipping address on Shein after placing an order, first launch Shein app on a device. Make sure to log into your account and you need to head towards your home page. Now you have to click on Me tab at bottom right corner of the screen. Under this section, you need to make sure that you log into your account. Now under My Orders, you have to select On Paid at top left corner of the screen. Next to, you have to click on All Orders, which is next to On Paid. Now, you will see a list of your orders. To change the address, you need to simply check the order status. You can only change the shipping address if the order is pending or processing. If eligible, you can easily click on Edit Address. You can update the shipping address and click Save at the bottom. Your address will now be updated. So that is how we can easily change shipping address in Shein after placing an order. I hope this guide was helpful. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.